Okay, so let's look at Algebra 1. This is the August 2018 Regents, and this is question number 2 on that Regents. During physical education class, Andrew recorded the exercise times in minutes. Which table best represents a linear model? So my thought here is if you're going to do this in a calculator, and remember you have 3 hours, so it's worth just actually going through the time and plugging them in. So what we're going to do is open up a spreadsheet, so Control Doc. We'll add a list and spreadsheet and label the top X, label the top Y. You can label it whatever you want, but ease is probably the best way to go here. So we're going to plug in our values 0 through 4, and then plug in our Y values, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. So we're going to go 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. And what we'll do is, once the values are entered, we'll open up a data page. Tell the X axis that it's the first column. Tell the Y axis it's the second column. And it'll give them a scatter plot. Now that looks pretty linear to me, but if they weren't sure, they can go back to their table and enter the next set of values. So 58, 65, 70, 75, 79. So we could just overwrite, hit enter, and when we go to the spreadsheet, it would change a little. And you can keep going with this process until you find one that's linear. So if you look at choice 3, 62, 70, 83, 88. So 62, 70, 82, 88, 90, I believe the last term was. And when you hit enter, again, it'll shift your graph to look like what your data values are. So in this case, you can see that your best choice would be choice 1.